project will need a lot of colorful yarn tails. I collect mine in a jar. Then we're going to use some beads. You can use whatever kind you have at hand. You can also use buttons. Then we'll need some sewing thread, sewing needle, and of course scissors. Take a certain amount of yarn tails, and how many you're going to take depends on how big you want your bead to be. Then roll them in your hands to blend them a little, and then you can press them, squish them, roll them around to make all that amount of yarn tails into a round shape. Once we have something that resembles a bead, take a sewing thread and then just go around the bead with it, working it on all sides, just like that. When you are satisfied, then you just need a round or two, then thread the needle, and now we are going to just sew around the edges of this bead like this. Just push it from the front to the back, yeah, and you just go around or two to secure those unruly tails. It shouldn't be in a perfect shape because we are going to make it stronger once we add the sequins and the beads or whatever you are going to use for this project. While working, you can also just shape it up. When we are done sewing, we can start beading it. I make my beads by adding sequin seed beads, pearl beads all around. So I start with a bead up front and then I just sew it like that and take the thread on the other side, add a bead there. I go in zigzag directions, so whatever I think will work best, and I go until all the bead is covered because I like it to have a kind of a bohemian flair. So this is basically what you do. Once the bead is done, you can trim the peeping toms or leave them as they add a cute charm on the whole piece. I like when my beads are beaded on both sides, but you can just decorate the front and then leave the back as is, add a felt piece, and it will immediately gain a more polished look. You can use these beads for all kinds of jewelry projects. Add them to your bags as accessories, decorates, blankets. The ideas are actually endless. I hope you like this video, and in my next one I'm going to show you how to make woolen beads. Bye bye.